This is the future. Cars are built by robots. The large shopping chains are quickly changing over to self-checkouts. There are more and more fuel stations self-service. Now business will soon follow suit, as everything is carried out using artificial intelligence-backed automation. Why not be the tip of the spear in this regard? Why not be first, way ahead of the game? This is what OnPASSIVE has developed for you. Your very own global tech business, run on complete automation. Your website. Automated. Your marketing. Automated. Your branding. Automated. Your passive income. Automated and guaranteed. Totally hands-free. Working for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. And it's all down to the technology of OnPASSIVE. Especially our amazing tech team in India. Do you think you can handle this? Do you want a piece of it? All you have to do is get back in touch with the founder who brought you to this group. It really is that simple. Paddy McGuigan. A Bill Must Production.